So variety is definitely the spice of life, and this is a good variety. We've got a rather large van in for a service and a couple of faults which we're on with now. One of them is a starting issue which we've hopefully resolved, and then we've got this Mini that's come in, and it's ridiculous really. The fault with the Mini was as simple as the heater blower wasn't working on the left, or the heat didn't come through on the left side, which you would think is not too much of a job. You would think. So I'll just start showing you. Well, that's one of the parts that's been replaced. That's the dashboard, a seat, a steering wheel, and then there's an Ethan.
Plenty of room in here now.
So at some point this is going to go back together. So these are the days when I'm really glad I'm not a technician. And I think everybody else in the world's happy I'm not a technician as well, to be fair. So yeah, it's an interesting day for the guys in the workshop. We've got something interesting to show you soon. We have got a new property which we will be showing soon, and we're quite and then as the progress of getting that property up and running, it's going to be a new prep centre for us. And then we've got a nice selection of vehicles as usual. Nice Puma, ST Focus, Golf R. So we've got some lovely cars, a nice 520 estate car. The Golf R is pretty cool. We've finished now, we've finished it. It has got, so we've done the gearbox, it's had a full service. And I think I'd like to, hopefully people agree, it does look really good. So it's got the black styling pack. It's had a full machine polish because it needed it, you know, to bring out that's hopefully you can see the sort of shine despite the dust. And then we've done, it's had the, probably that's maybe a good angle to see it. It's had the spacers to make the wheels sit a bit further out into the arch, and we've put lowering springs on it, so it just sits lovely in the arch. It looks like a proper sports car. The calipers now are a nice gloss black rather than the I think they were yellow before. We didn't really appreciate that. So yeah, we've got it's rather warm, and I think affects people in different ways. Some people like it, some people don't, but for sure we've got some nice vehicles in, and we are still on the hunt for, it sounds like a broken record, but anything different really, anything different. That seems to be where we're quite confident that we can give strong money, because we know we can sell anything different. That BMW is stunning, 330e. So I say it can be a sports car, it can be a Range Rover, something high spec. We are definitely having a lot of success with really different types of cars. This is a nice car as well, this Cougar. So I've just brought this in the showroom. Cupra born, just literally come out of the valet bay today. The Cougar's nice, it's a plug-in hybrid. It's got lovely spec, pan roof. It's in the fashionable primer grey, which everybody loves. So yeah, we've got some great products in. We are still looking for anything different, and we've done one with electric cars in the past, and at the moment we've got a Taycan and a Tesla, a couple of Leafs. So we are also, that's something that we do well with. And vans, we've only got 2 vans in stock. So again, if you've got a van, give us a shout, drop us an email, drop us a message, give us a call. We want to buy vans, pickups, cars, and especially anything that's a bit different. Thanks for watching.